Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So first of all, I would like to thank you each and everyone for keep on supporting our channel. So with all your support, our channel reaches to around 6,37,000 subscribers. And definitely with all your support, I'm happy to share that I'm starting a one more YouTube channel with a name called TNB, a technical notice board. So the name itself indicates this channel will be having all notifications of all kind of technical events, and this channel mainly benefits to both the faculty community and the student community. So coming to the student community, I'll be keep on posting the internship details, job opportunities, hackathons, information about webinars, seminars, workshops, okay, and some motivational speeches, career guidance, okay, etc. Whatnot. Every technical information will be available in the new channel, Technical Notice Board. And coming to the faculty, I'll post the information regarding the job openings and faculty development programs and workshops, conferences, PhD admission related information, so patent related information, so complete R&D, workshops, seminars, webinars, and all kind of technical events which will be benefited to the faculty will also be available in our channel, that is a technical notice board. So already I have started this channel and have uploaded a few videos, and you go through that video and get benefited. Please share the same information to all the faculty community and the student community, and keep on supporting our channel, technical notice board. So whatever the support you have given for Sandeep Saradi Kanteti channel, the complete technical channel, so I am expecting the same for this technical notice board also. And from every day I'll be keep on posting the latest technical events related to staff and the students community in this particular technical notice board channel. So I'll post the channel link in the description. So I hope all of you subscribe and support, and also if possible promote this to all your friends and students communities. So once again, I would like to thank each and everyone who are uh, supporting me, and who are being a part of our YouTube journey. So all the best. Thank you very much.